Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com. I've got another California hotel property to share with you. This time, we are in downtown LA. We're at the Westin Bonaventure Hotel property, and this hotel property is so big. You can see one of the elevator towers right there. There are actually 4 elevator towers, one on each corner of this hotel property. It's huge. So we were up on the 20th floor here, and because of the way that this hotel property is built and shaped, the rooms are a little bit unique in design. So you come into this narrow entrance that opens up into this room area, which is actually kind of nice. You've got this big room, nice long desk, big flat screen TV, all of your coffee needs, and your little mini fridge. And this room in here is a 2-queen bedroom. Again, it feels really spacious. There's a nice big countertop above the beds, and then you have this view, which for me is one of the big wins for this property. It's just an awesome view of downtown LA, and you just get some nice sunshine, and just to look out over the city is kind of fun. Great location. We'll take you back in here to the bathroom area. Again, also really roomy. This shower bathtub area has a rain shower with a wand, which is really nice. And then, of course, your products. And it did feel really clean. This bathroom area, again, roomy, spacious, clean. It's all good. So there is that. And this obviously closes off from the rest of the room area. There is a storage closet with your iron and ironing board and things tucked back in here right by the door where you walk in. Overall, a really nice property. It has a luxury feel to it, but it is a bit of an older hotel. I do like the location, especially if you've got things to do in downtown LA. It's pretty close to a lot of things via Uber or Lyft or whatever you need to do. So really great location. The hotel itself, downstairs in the lobby, you have a Starbucks, a cafe, a bar area, a breakfast buffet that's really good. As you can see, this area is really well done. Lots of waterscapes, super nice, great for families, meeting areas, whatnot. That was all really impressive. It does have kind of that luxury feel to it. This is back up in our room in the evening. This was probably, again, one of my favorite things about this room. The view in the evening was amazing. And we got that same feel first thing in the morning. It was incredible. So LA at night, very cool. And then it actually rained our last day here. So as you can see, we're going down in the elevator now during the rain, but that was really cool too. It just had a really fun vibe and feel to it. So there you go. This is the Westin Bonaventure Hotel property here in downtown LA. I will leave more details and information down below, but please let me know if you have questions. Again, this is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.